from AV Leaders, introducing you to one of the most exciting speaker innovations in the car audio industry, JL Audio's CF series. If you're into car audio, you understand the struggle. You want better sound, but installing aftermarket components means sometimes cutting door panels, making aftermarket speaker mounts, or taking bulky speaker components and trying to fit them behind factory grills. JL Audio's CF series solves that problem. These speakers are designed to fit into really tight spaces like dashboards or behind A-pillars or mid-ranges in the door panels without modification. That means less installation time, no cosmetic compromise, and a much cleaner result. Now don't be fooled, just because it's fit friendly doesn't mean it compromises on sound quality. In fact, this is where JL Audio really flexes its engineering. Each CF speaker is built with fiber reinforced paper pulp cones that makes it light and rigid for fast, clean response. JL's proprietary DMA optimized motors are designed to reduce distortion even under a load. And S-Series surrounds, which improve control and extend frequency response without sacrificing any detail. Plus, the frames are made of heat-resistant glass-filled polymer. The grills are designed with thin, durable metal, ideal for long-term reliability, especially in harsh environments just like those really hot dashes. Now let's talk about versatility. Whether or not if you're designing a passive setup or a full active DSP-driven system like I prefer, these speakers are ready. And if you're not using a DSP or external crossovers, don't worry. JL Audio includes high-pass filters right in the box for easier, smoother integration. Now check this out. The CF350MT, for example, is a 3.5-inch mid-tweeter or middler that plays from 450 Hertz all the way up to 20K, handles about 35 to 75 watts RMS, and has an 86 dB sensitivity. Now, not bad for something that fits in the palm of your hand. Even better will fit into those thin dashboards. For more impressive specs, check out the CF275S MT. Now here's the best part. CF series speakers work in multi-way systems. So pair that with JL Audio's impressive car audio amplifiers and subwoofers, and you got yourself one seriously high performance setup. One that looks stock, but sounds nothing but. Remember, factory fit convenience, premium JL Audio engineering, real sound without the installation headache. Whether you're a car audio professional or a DIYer looking for a premium audio upgrade that doesn't cut corners, the CF series speakers is a no compromise solution for today's modern vehicles. The JL Audio CF series components. Get yours today at avleaders.com. Till next time. If you like what you see, drop us a comment and tell me what you think. And don't forget, remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Ron here from AV Leaders. Oh, fogging up. Hold on. You want installing. All right. That means less install. Friendly. Yes.